Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Sahas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today my topic for you is Raga Mudras in Carnatic classical music. I'll teach you what are Raga Mudras in Carnatic classical music. So before that we will enter into some short prayers, my dear friends. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswati Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Pitrubhyo Namaha, Rishubhyo Namaha, Munibhyo Namaha, Acharyebhyo Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyo Devi Devatabhyo Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers. So we'll enter into the topic now. What are Raga Mudras in Carnatic classical music? Raga Mudras are nothing but if the name of the raga in which it is composed, any of the Carnatic classical devotional song, if it carries the name of the raga in which it is composed somewhere within the composition, then it is called as Raga Mudras. So Sri Muthuswami Dikshita is one of the trinity of the Carnatic classical musicians. He is a great musician. So he has used this Raga Mudra in almost all of his compositions. So that is the greatness of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita. Somehow he brings the name of the raga within his composition. He has got about 460 plus compositions to his credit, and almost all of his compositions carries this Raga Mudra. Apart from that, he is also giving us Nama Mudra, Kavi Mudra, in which he mentions about Guru Guha. If the Guru Guha word is mentioned in any of the compositions, we can very safely say that it is perfectly the composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita only, none other else it could be. So that is it, my dear friends. So now I will give you several illustrations. For example, first we will take up Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje. So it is composed in the raga Hamsadhvani. Everybody knows that. So it is the Hamsadhvani is nothing but the Janya raga of 29th Melakarta, that is Dhira Shankarabharanam. So you see how the Raga Mudra appears here. So we will enter into for this we will have to know the entire lyrics. I will tell you, I will give you where the Raga Mudra appears. It is very popular. So the last few lines we will take up. Nijavamakara Vidrutekshudandam, Nijavamakara Vidrutekshudandam, Karambujapasha Bijapuram, Karushaviduram, Bhutakaram, Haradi Guru Hatoshita Bimbam, Hamsadhvani Bhushita Herambam. So fantastic. That is the last line. Hamsadhvani Bhushita Herambam. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje. So the last line, Hamsadhvani Bhushita Herambam, it gives us the Raga Mudra. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So likewise, in the another Kruti of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita, the illustration I am giving is Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam. It is composed in the raga Sri Raga. Sri Raga is a Janya raga of 22nd Melakarta Karahara Priya. So here the very first letter or the very first word of this composition, Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam, Sri Vasuprade, Sri Sarasapade, Rasapade, Sapade, Pade, Sri Varalakshmi Namastubhyam. So this is the finest composition on Sri Mahalakshmi by Sri Muthuswami Dikshita. The very first letter, the opening word or the opening letter itself reveals the raga. It is composed in Sri Raga. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll take up another illustration from Muthuswami Dikshita's to this now. So we are entering to Kanjadalaya Tarshi. Here again it is a devotional song on Kamakshi, Devi Kamakshi. I will give you how the Raga Mudra appears now. Kanjadalaya Takshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari. These are the beginning lines. Opening lines itself will give us the raga. It is composed in the raga called Kamala Manohari. We got the word Kamala Manohari, isn't it? Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari. So very opening beginning line itself reveals us the raga. For which you have to know the names of the ragas first. To identify this Raga Mudra, knowing names of these several ragas in Carnatic classic music, it only comes by practice and learning and listening to devotional songs. You will come to know that. So Kamla Manohar is a Janya Raga of 27th Melakarta called Sarasangi. So if you know this, you can identify the Ragamudra. So three illustrations given, my dear friends. Now we will take up the fourth illustration. Fourth illustration is we know this Panchamatanga Mukha Ganapatina Paripalitoham. So Panchamatanga Mukha Ganapatina Paripalitoham. Sumukhena Shri Panchamatanga Mukha Ganapatina Paripalitoham. So this also one of the finest composition of Sri Muthuswami Dikshita on Lord Sri Ganesha. So here what happens? So in the last line he reveals the raga again. Sumukhena Shri Panchamatanga Mukha Ganapatina. So the last line will Surutirena Surutiralambodarena Kalimalaharatarena. So that is the last line. Kalimalaharatarena. It is composed in the raga called Malahari. So that is how these raga mudras appear, my dear friends. So I have given four illustrations. There are several such illustrations, and in Sri Muthuswami Dikshita's compositions, in almost all of his 460 plus compositions, you will find this raga mudra. It's amazing, isn't it, my dear friends? It's quite difficult to bring in the name of the raga within the compositions, and it has to fit into the raga scale also. These are several amazing aspects of Carnatic classical music, my dear friends. So in the next upcoming video, I will render several of the Carnatic classical devotion songs and deal with the ragas and then their verbatim meanings, etc. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas TP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762000915. My number is coming on the YouTube screens. Also, I am teaching devotional stotras and chandas, Sanskrit poetic meters and amazing Sanskrit poetry and Carnatic classical music, etc. for interested people. So all those interested, please catch me direct on 8762000915. Thank you. Hari Om Sati. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.